Guys, replay. Let's play with two.
Okay. Let's play, guys. Playtime journey. Stop slapping.
You have no responsibilities.
Bro, just wait.
Even if you join, bro, you can join me because it's full server already. Not with the layer!
Okay, left.
Lebay.
Leave, bro. Leave. Leave now.
Stop, bro. You know,
Bro.
Have you ever read a comic attack? 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 Attack. I said you need your answer.
Bro. I guess I'm not playing now.
Just what, bro?
Stop.
Stop it. You said so because of the answer, I'm not lying.
You're annoying me. Stop annoying me.
Bro, there's somebody wait. Yeah, the body's sleeping. Because you can't see.
Bro, just leave. I cannot play with you.
Are you able to die question?
Bro.
Are you answering this question out of free will? Are you sure?
Let's play Rival.
I'm continuing the video! Are you sure you're
Yes.
being honest with your answer? Yeah, bro. Witty, third name of
Yes lang ng yes.
suitable for you.
Very yes.
Bro,
You keep annoying me.
hindi naman ako nag-live eh. Yeah.
Why are you speaking in Tagalog?
I'm serious. No. You are so insane.
You're insane, bro.
Have you ever too laggy, bro?
Bro. I will play in basketball here.
What basketball here?
Please.
That's not better. Kurukos.
That's not better. What are you saying?
Kurukos
What are you
basketball
saying?
is better. Kurukos basketball.
Bro, what are you saying?
Kurukos basketball is better.
Not Kurokos. Kurokos basketball is so bad. Bro, it's not Kurokos basketball.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I have phobia of darkness, Francis.
No. Yeah. Lights up, back.
How you clean up here?
Oh!
Bro, what are you saying?
Push me in! Yes! No! No! I forgot. to say that I'm from Philly. Please. You think kasi talo mag-ogi. Don't worry, you still got one chance left. One chance to slip! How that one is the after the one to Yabon. Do you have internet ito? Yeah. Do you have any? No. Kebetulan ke sini. If you shouldn't be a teacher, because anybody can make it. Yeah. Are you alone? I thought I would only speak English. But you always know big secretary. Bro, you're not speaking English. We believe we are reading into English. We need to end the video fast. Let's end the phone. Do you ever feel like you have to do something that isn't that you know it's fun? This dream will identify you. Yeah?
Asa, may pasok si JM?
Maybe always get the concept.
Bro, why are you scared?
I'm almost done at the video, bro. Do you know the person's name? Oh my god, bro! Ah! I'm almost done. No. There's a buggy. I got Jasper, my duck already, so I got the Jasper again. Can you relax? Of course, yes. Gugu malaba. You feel me? Will you cry yesterday? Have you seen the person standing outside the window? Yeah. I heard it. Bro, what the? What happened?
Walang chat si Papa Boyan?
No? Hindi ko No, bro. I can't do this.
Wala ka naman.
Start this already. Bye.